Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo here. Now today this is a very surprising video that I've come here in Embakasi.
Yes, the Embakasi Tasha 3.
It's called Embakasi?
Tasha 3.
Yeah. So I've come to meet my first cousin, and it has been long since I met him. We talked, and I've come today here in this place here just to meet him in his house, in his hood, and we are going to his working or to his small side hustle somewhere. So I don't know how small it is or how big it is, but himself he calls it small. So ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce this brother of mine here.
Yes.
Yes bro, vipi? What's your name? Introduce yourself to my viewers.
Hello, I'm David Omar. I'm an accountant by profession. I'm also a businessman, and this is my cousin Theo.
Yes.
This is Tasia.
This is Tasia.
Yes.
Embakasi Tasia. So how big is Embakasi, probably, if you can?
Embakasi is about it's the biggest county in Nairobi actually. Embakasi is just like 800,000 voters.
Wow.
The governor of Nairobi always gets as many votes as a presidential candidate. So it's a the biggest county in Nairobi.
Nairobi.
Yes.
So who is the area MP?
The area is Babu Owino.
Babu Owino.
One and only Babu Owino.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and the governor is Sakaja.
Sakaja.
Yeah.
So maybe what are you doing currently? You said you are an accountant by profession, and what is this side hustle?
Yeah, I'm working in a private school. I'm working in a private primary school plus junior secondary. It's called Brook Hill Academy. It's located somewhere there. If we have time, we'll have a look at it.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a good school. Just some good number of learners, close to about 600 and something. And we have a big school.
Okay. So when did you start staying in this place or working there?
I came to Embakasi a long time. First time I came here it was 2005.
Wow.
2005. Those are many years.
When you came to Nairobi, this is your first station?
No. I was staying with my parents in Kawangware. Then I decided to move here. When I got a job, my first job, I moved to this side. Yes.
How was this place back then?
Oh, this area you are seeing, it was just swamps and swamps. It was a hunting site.
A hunting site.
Yeah, just a hunting site.
But they have beautiful buildings.
Yes.
I hope there's no collapsing of buildings or whatever.
Yeah, the surface here is rocky. Cotton soil on top, but rock and rocks, and it makes the buildings quite stable. It's not like a moving ground, quite rocky. A small foundation, like maybe 6 inches, you are in the 6 meters. Is it 6 meters? 6 feet. You will be on the hard rock, very hard.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
That's why they erect taller story buildings.
Okay.
Yes.
So probably, what's the best thing with this place that keeps you staying here since 2005? That's approximately almost 20 years.
Almost 20 years. Actually, it's 17 or 18. The best place with this is a quiet place. It's like lower middle class, and it's spacious, unlike other areas which are congested in Eastlands.
So what about maybe it's called what? Are we about to get? What about let's say the cost of living?
The cost of living.
Nairobi is Nairobi.
Yeah, it's a bit higher compared to the surrounding areas like Soweto, Kayole. It's a little bit high. It's a little bit higher. Yes.
So the cost of maybe, let's say, the rent amount of rent.
Yeah, rent 1 bedroom ranges from 10,000 to 12,000.
10,000.
Bedroom between 13 to 15. Yeah, it depends on the location also. But for this area, that's the range.
12,000.
1 bedroom between 10,000 to 12,000.
One.
Yeah, 1 bedroom. Wow. Like 2 bedrooms between 13 to 15.
Oh. So it's somehow expensive.
Yeah, somehow expensive.
What about maybe other amenities around?
Just like middle class people, it's fair.
It's fair.
You can say it's fair. It depends on the income.
The-
So people who earn 30,000 and above can comfortably survive in this
Survive
area.
in this area.
Yeah, without any issues. Not a lower class area as such. Yes.
You can see kids are. Is there maybe somewhere apart from these small areas that kids are playing from? Is there any big maybe area like a field?
That's the issue. There are no fields here. These are spaces. These are actually people's plots, places that they have not built. So it's not that this is a field as such. People just look for spaces where people have not developed, and that's why they use us. Yeah. In fact, to surprise you, in this area of Tasha, there is no public primary school.
Public primary
Yeah,
school.
all the land has been grabbed.
Wow.
Only private primary schools. In this whole area of this Embakasi village, Tasha 3, there are 2 primary schools. One in Garrison and another one in Embakasi primary. That's all. But all this area up to Pipeline, that's when you'll get a public primary. Sure.
Well.
Yeah.
That is somehow.
Yeah, land here is an issue. The people have grabbed
But I
it
think
well.
what I've noticed with Nairobi is like most of the places or most of the estates they do not have most of the places they do not have or estates they do not have public schools.
Yeah.
What could be the problem?
It's because of land grabbing. That's the simplest answer I can give you. These people who take these lands, okay, before the government realized or became aware of any development or began any development, people had already organized and snatched the lands. So by the time the government wants to develop, it has already been occupied for about from between 5 to 10 years. So the government has no say on that.
Okay, we are still going ahead this way.
Yes.
Let's just
Yeah. Thank you so much. So I was coming here. This is the place I want to start a new business right here.
This inside this place.
Inside here. This is the place I want to start a business. There's a shop I've just acquired right here. And so I'm checking it out.
How much could that be? Maybe the cost of whatever.
Yeah. To get a shop, a stall
A shop, a stall.
Yeah, it's between 8,500 and 7,500.
See, I'm with my friend here, my cousin, my first cousin, and he's amongst our first. It's called the eldest cousin. Is actually is the eldest cousin of mine from the maternal side. So as you can see, there's kids over there. They're just playing in someone's play. So there's nowhere that kids can play in this area. But it's an awesome and beautiful place. Look at the buildings. Wow. Very nice building, very smart building, and look at this place inside here. It's a very wonderful place. So my cousin has a shop, another shop inside here that he wants to start some small, another side hustle, some small business right inside here. So ladies and gentlemen, keep watching, keep subscribing. And if you are new in this channel, this is your first time, make sure you support this channel by subscribing, liking these videos, and sharing them also. So make sure you drop a comment and tell me what do you think about this area here. This is Embakasi. Hey, Embakasi. So I've been just hearing Embakasi, hearing about Embakasi, but this is awesome time that I've come to this beautiful and nice place. So you can see this place looks swampy right here. Let's check this awesome and beautiful place here. Embakasi. So if you are around this place, you can drop by this place and come. There are so many different shops here. It's a nice place.
Yeah. This is a place I want to develop like a children shop. Yeah.
Just for birthday Actually, maybe you explain what you want to do with this shop.
Actually, I want to develop a children's shop, that has anything to do with the children. Like I will be selling candies, I'll be selling balloons, I'll be selling toys, gifts that you can do, gift wrappings and all those. Anything to do with birthday. Actually, I'm targeting on celebration, birthdays, baby showers, and maybe graduations.
Graduations, okay.
Maybe graduation.
You want to talk to you? So that is your plan?
Yes.
For this place?
Yes.
Something else? So you said how much does it cost?
Okay, this house, this size is 8,500.
8,500.
Yes.
Wow.
And then, okay, I have seen there's a demand on the children items. Like people like to do birthdays. They like to do birthdays here and there. The children say, "Hey, I'm 1 year old, Daddy, can you celebrate with me?" And I've seen many parents are suffering. Some of them are going to town to source those items. Some of them are going to the supermarket. I've also tried personally. You find that you go to the supermarket, you miss one thing. So if I stock the juices, I stock the candies, I stock the balloons, I stock the candles, then it will be okay. They can only go and look for a cake. I'm not a baker, so I cannot do the cake.
You can also get someone to do that.
Oh yeah, I'm planning to link up with somebody else who does cakes, so that when people come and they are interested, I can give them their number to organize for the cake. That's it.
So this place, is it taken the whole of it?
No, not all are taken. So right now I've seen a few rooms, like 4 rooms. The ones on the corners, this one, that one, and the 2 at the corner have been taken because people want to be near the roadside. You understand? The middle ones are yet to be taken. And the middle ones are even cheaper than this one. They range about 7,500. Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
So
when are you ready to start?
From next week, I'm ready to start. I'll come and arrange that time. You see, the place is ready. I'm just coming to clean it up tomorrow, spruce it up kidogo, put some lighting, put the glasses over here, and then I'll set the items and open shop from Monday.
From Monday?
Yes.
This Monday?
Yeah, this Monday tomorrow.
So when are you?
Somebody is coming to take measurements right now. So I believe tomorrow they'll put it early in the morning, so that during the other times of the day.
Maybe contact somebody might be around here watching this video.
Yes.
For the shop, or you are not yet ready for that.
Yeah, the shop is there. I am. They can come. I'm at Tasia Gate. You see the road that comes to from 75 to Baraka. There's Tasia Gate. You enter there. The second entrance is near somewhere called Makuti. You can get me on 0726 08 1828. 0726 08 1828. We can do deliveries if they want, if they are within the area and they want a package for the birthday. They can just call me, or a package for baby shower. We just organize, arrange, and then send to them. Okay. Yeah, we can do a delivery.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you. So next time when you do another video, part 2, we do it with products.
Product. Monday. Oh yeah.
We do it the next time when the products are there.
I wish I could do it tomorrow.
Yes.
When you are doing the packaging, everything. You are doing everything, but I'll come back.
Make sure you come back. That I'm already set up to outside, because I plan to sell some even things like kids like ice cream. I can put an umbrella over here so that they can take soda. You can sit here and take soda. There's a fridge somewhere in this corner, so that you can take your soda from there and sit outside and drink. So all those things will be there. Thank you so much, Theo. Alright.
Yeah. So thank you. Where is the cyber?
It's far. I'm waiting for this.
These are the Tasia stalls right here in Embakasi. So here in Tasia, so you can come in and buy and hire some. Look at the spaces; they are very nice, very beautiful. It only goes for 7,500. So this, look at the wiring. You can do. You can take it for 7,500 only in this place. So if you want a business place and you are in Tasia Embakasi, just come here, drop by here, and get these awesome and beautiful stalls right here. There's a place here you can use for washing your hands and so on and so forth. I think if I'm not wrong, this is another one that is it has gone. Look at it. In fact, this one is not a container, but it is a concrete wall. That one person is done with what he's doing here, setting up everything. This is the Tasia stalls right here. Awesome, beautiful job, beautiful work. And keep on checking this video, keep on subscribing, and just remind you, I'm here in Tasia, Embakasi. So if you need if you want to stay in Embakasi, this is the right place to stay. Not even in Embakasi, in Nairobi. Wow, this is the beautiful place here called Embakasi, Tasia, Embakasi. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm waiting for my cousin here so that we may be able to head to his cyber cafe.
Place is Islamish kidogo. Ndio Embakasi kwa kali. So this junction pale ni KQ walijenga hizo nyumba for their staff. Kenya Airways pale. Hii nyumba, hizi place zilikuwa ziko na nyumba kama za chini chini. So when my cyber is somewhere here, flood, ziki.
Anyway, better tu nitatoa hiyo
mjaribu.
Make sure you keep on subscribing. Check on this video, subscribe, like and comment right below here. Just let us know where you are watching this video from. Bye bye, see you in the next video.